I will show you how to make money just by chatting lonely people. Yes, people that are lonely, they need friend. So if you're chatting with them, they pay you just for 15 minutes. I'm going to show you how to do that, but that is for free. You don't need any money to start. What I mean by lonely people is bored people, people who don't have friend. You can make money just by chatting with them. Maybe you're that person that are looking for soulmate or life partner. Don't worry, because this particular apps will also help you to date people from Canada, Australia, America. So don't worry. In a few minutes, I'm going to also show you how to sign up and how you're going to also withdraw your money. You can get paid via PayPal or bank transfer, so it is worldwide. Okay, so remember, I'm Louis Chuko and I share possible ways to make money online. I mean the ways that have worked for me. I'll create videos so that you will also benefit from it as well. So click subscribe and turn on the notification bell to always get a video notification when I drop videos like this. So without wasting time at all, let us proceed. So make sure you watch the video to the end and practice everything, because I'm going to show you 6 websites that will help you to do that just by chatting lonely people, and you get paid every 15 minutes. So start with number one. One is what we call rent a friend. So if you move to Google and you search rent a friend, so you will see the website, and if it's open you can also see the logo as well. So you click the first one, which is rent a friend. So how do this website rent a friend really work? This website is so friendly, but it only allows video calls. Remember that people love it so much when they are seeing you face to face. So sometimes people feel you so much, people feel you the more when they are seeing you face to face rather than just messaging them. Okay, so that's the bad side of this particular website, but it is so amazing and friendly, and you get paid through your PayPal or via bank transfer. It works worldwide. This particular website is not limited, it works worldwide. Okay, so I will rate this particular website 9/10. It's an amazing and friendly website for you to connect with different people in the whole world. Maybe you are looking for a partner, this particular website will help you a lot. So you get paid on this particular website just to be somebody's friend. And if you check above, you can see what is there. Get paid to be a friend. So if you are a friend to somebody just by chatting with a person, you will also get paid on this particular app. And you can earn up to $50 just in 1 hour. So let's just scroll down below so you can see some questions. So how much will it cost you to join? To become a friend on this rentafriend.com is 100% free. You're not paying any money to start at all. Okay, and not only that, you can also see the second question, which is, do I have to work a certain time? You can see the reply. There is no schedule or minimum amount of time you have to put in here. So you work when you want, anytime you want. You can work on this particular website and get paid. Okay, so you can also see the next question, how do I get started? It's so simple. Just fill out the application and then your email to confirm your membership. Okay, and for you to do that, you have to click sign up as a friend. So let me click that. So if I click sign up as a friend, you can see what I'm going to fill. You're going to fill your username, you're going to also fill your city, state, country, you're going to also fill your email, you're going to also confirm the email, then add that your strong password as well, then also confirm that your strong password, then after that you click submit. So the more you discuss with people, with the friends, the more you get paid. Remember, you paid $50 per 1 hour. Okay, so it's so amazing. So the next website that will also pay you when you are chatting with friends, with lonely people, with bored people, is called Premier.chat. So if you move to Google and you search for Premier.chat, you will see how it looks like. So I'm going to sign up on this particular one fully, okay, to show you how it looks like and how you're going to also add your bank details as well. So this one is just you texting people, nothing like video calls as well. Remember that to rate a friend is just video calls, okay, but this particular one, which is Premier Chat, you can just text people and get paid as well. And there's 2 sections in this Premier Chat. Let me show you that before I proceed. So if I click this enter my email, or if I click this sign up for free, you can see two sections there. If you would like to get paid to chat, that is, if you would like to be chatting people and you get paid, that means you're going to create account as seller. But if you want to pay people when they are chatting with you, you have to create the account as buyer. Okay, that is buyer account. So there is different ways to earn on this particular website. You also earn when you are chatting with text. You also earn when you are chatting through calls as well. Maybe if you call somebody, maybe through audio, you are going to also get paid as well. So for instance, I want to also get paid on this particular app just by chatting people, and for me to do that, I'm going to click the first one, which is seller account. I would like to get paid to chat. I'm going to click that. So once it's open, you can also see what you're going to fill. You're going to fill your username, your first name, your last name, your email with your password as well. Okay, but me, I don't want to waste time as well, so let me just sign up with my email. So I'm going to click Google to make it faster so that the video will not be that long. I will click continue. Then the view dashboard will now open, and I will explain few things, how to withdraw from it as well, and how to also invite some friends to chat with them, and you make your money just in 15 minutes. You make a lot of money. You making about $100 just in 30 minutes is possible here on this particular premium chat. So this is how your first interface will look like, and you can see congratulations, you have successfully created your account. So you can see there is a section for you to see your dashboard. There's a section for you to set up everything, to set how much people will pay you. There is a section for you to also see your contact and every other thing. So if you want to chat or call people or even video chat, you have to click this with get below, and you can see a section where to chat, a section where to call, and a section where to video chat as well. So this is one of the way you can chat lonely people or call lonely people, and you get paid via PayPal or bank transfer. Your money will land in your local bank, anyone you are using at all. So that's the second way for you to chat lonely people. So the third app that will also help you to chat people and you get paid so much money, this one is so amazing and friendly. It is called zeetok. It is an app. You can also see it on Play Store as well, or Apple Store. So in case you want to access the website, you have to go to zeetok and you will see it by yourself. But if you don't want to access it through website, you can also download the app. It's an application as well, so you can see how it looks like. So this particular website will help you to meet new friends and also earn as well. So you can meet new friends and share some of your interest, anything you want at all, and you also make money as well. So let me just open it so that you will see how it looks like. But if I scroll down below, you can see people also ask these questions. People ask, what is zeetok for? So you can see it by yourself. zeetok is a social media for Android devices designed for people to meet others as well. So how you earn from this zeetok is that, remember, you chat with friends on this particular app, you connect with new people, which are friends, lonely people. The more you chat, the more you talk, the more you call, the more you make more money by accumulating points for yourself, and you can withdraw anytime you like. Okay, so this is the third app to chat lonely people and get paid. For the fourth app to chat lonely people and get paid, it is called remotely for you. So if you move over to your Google and search remotely for you, this particular website is a US based company, is from USA, and they hire individual around the world as chat moderator or chat operator. And when you are chatting with lonely people, bored people, people who don't have friends, people who don't have family members, you get paid in dollar as well. Okay, this is so amazing because you can earn so much from this, and you earn every 50 minutes as well. So let me just move over to the website to show you how everything looks like. So if it's open like this, you click the first one, which is remotelyforyou.com. So you can see how the website looks like, and if you check above, you can see become a chat operator and work from anywhere you are. Okay, so this is so amazing. So for you to sign up, all you need is just to enter your first name, your last name, your email, then you click I agree with the privacy policy. Okay, and you must be 18 years plus. Okay, so if you are not 18 plus, this particular one is not for you. But if you are 18 plus, wow, enter immediately and enjoy your money as long as you keep on chatting with people. So this one is owned by USA, and they hire individual around the world and pay them. Okay, it is so amazing. So if you are from Nigeria, if you are from Namibia, if you are anywhere you are, Portugal, Mozambique, Seychelles, anywhere you are at all, India, you can access this one and earn huge money for yourself. So you don't need any certificates to access these things or maybe extra training. No, as far as you are ready to chat with people, you can join and make good money for yourself. Before we proceed to the next website that will help you to earn money in the online space, I'll be sharing this type of video. Recently, I shared how to answer questions and get paid in the online space. Just simple question, and many of you tried it. I'm so happy because I can see the results on my Telegram community. If I see people practicing what I'm teaching, and they see the good results, I'm so happy. So in case you want to see that, check this particular video to see how to answer simple questions and you get paid in the online space. You also see the link of the video in the video description as well, so make sure to go through that. So let's just continue. So another website, which is the fifth one, that will also help you to chat people and you get paid, people that are tired, people that need friends, is what we call Tochat, and it's an app as well, but you can also see it on Google as well. So if you go to Google and you search for Tochat, and you can also see the rates, which is 4.0, meaning that yes, people use this app very well. So this particular app way or website will help you to see new friends and you chat with them and get paid. And whether it's real friend or AI friend, you also get paid. And you can see what people are asking, what is Tochat used for. So let me click it to open. Whether it's real friend or AI friend, Tochat aims to help you find someone to talk to when you are feeling down or tired, and to relieve stress by talking to others as well. And you also get paid. This one works worldwide, okay, anywhere you are. So another apps that will also help you to get paid when you are chatting with people is what we call cloud workers, and this one was found in 2015. Imagine, since 2015 people have been making money just by chatting lonely people and you don't know. All right, let me just show you. So if you move over to the website called cloud workers, let me show you so you can also see it by yourself. Cloud Workers Limited was found in 2015 and is one of the largest and most successful and thriving chat moderation. Okay, so if you want to become a chat moderator or a chat operator, you can sign up on this platform. That means you're just chatting people and you get paid. So let me scroll down below so that you see how to sign up on this platform as well. So you can see it. Whether you are an expert or not, you can enjoy this particular platform. It's an amazing one. Okay, so what we expect from you: you own PC or laptop with a stable internet connection, the possible to work as a freelancer is open as well, then openness to adult dialogues. Okay, so let me not talk too much on that, but you know what is adult dialogue is all about. But because people can ask you different questions, okay, so you have to be 18 plus to access this particular one. So for you to apply as a chat operator or chat moderator on this cloud workers, this is what you need. You just need your first name, your last name, your email, your date of birth, your phone number, that's your contact, your Skype name. That is so amazing. Then what chat language are you applying for, which one, but this is optional. You can apply as a Danish, as an English speaker, which is native level. You can also apply as a German, Greek, Hebrew, anyone at all. They are all allowed there. Then you can see the time available via telephone, the time that you are available to pick calls. You can also put it as well. Now click submit application. Then when you submit it, they will review your details, then approve you. You will start chatting with people and you earn money immediately. Okay, so for this video not to be too long, I'm not going to sign up, so let's just move on to the next website that will also help you to earn when you are chatting people that are tired, people that need friends, people that need soulmate, life partner, and you also make money from that side as well. So another website that will also help you to earn just by chatting is what we call you and me. Yes, this one helps you to connect with friends, and video call is allowed in this one. So for you to access that, just go to youandme.co. So this UME is available for Android and iPhones as well, so both of them. So you can also see that UME is an easy to use app for connecting friends, experts, and clients via video chat, talk for free, and sell time through video chats. Okay, so this one normally favors entertainers, video creators, content creators, and many more. Okay, so if you're that person that needs everything to be anonymous, you can avoid this one. Okay, but if you are willing to make money just by reaching people, you are looking for a person to date, maybe you want to date people, foreigners, you can also access this particular one, you and me, because it is an amazing website that paid huge money as well. So these are the websites that will help you to earn just by chatting lonely people. So in case you need guys, you need guidelines to access all these things, just join our Telegram community where we share all these things. Even if you want to become a successful content creator, even if you want to start making money online, different ways, just join our Telegram channel where we share free tips on how to do all these things. And in case you also want to grow your international TikTok account, or you are not earning from TikTok, you want to get international TikTok accounts, don't worry. Also check the video description as well to see international TikTok and monetization growth blueprint, which will guide you on how to grow your TikTok account within 30 days. Or you want to also create international TikTok account, it will also help you as well. So check the video description to get that, and click subscribe. See you on next videos. Start making money and be rich and righteous as well. Don't just make money, but be rich and righteous. See you in this video.